Well, are you that kind of person who doesn't want to watch lifestyle vlogs? If yes, then stay tuned because this is not a lifestyle vlog. Finally, it's a new freaking travel vlog. That's right. About my final destination for today, which I won't be revealing it right now because I want it to be a suspense for you guys. The total distance is around 1700 kilometers. Yes, by tomorrow, probably by the afternoon tomorrow, I'll be in my destination, and that time you'll come to know my exact destination. For now, it's around 4:35, and as you can see, I'm all dressed up. Now I got to leave for airport, and then it's gonna be my first flight. Am I excited? Oh yes, I am. So finally reached the Calcutta airport. Now it's time to check in. A long travel journey awaits. By the way, my flight is at 8:45, I guess, and I'll be reaching my first destination at around 12 o'clock. So I'll see you directly inside the airport. Let's go. So I'm boarding one of the flights mentioned here. Guess which flight I'm boarding? Well, that's a mystery for each and every one of you. So basically inside the lounge, waiting for our flight. Scheduled departure is 8:45, right? Our scheduled departure? Yeah, our scheduled departure is 8:40. Not 8:15, it's 8:45, I'm pretty sure. This is boarding time, right? Not departure. Departure is 8:45. Now enjoy your time lapse which I'm gonna shoot from here. Alright? And then I'll see you guys in a while. Did you like the time lapse? If yes, drop a like right now. How do you feel?
I don't like it.
What do you want to know? It's fun. That's good. You walk in, didn't you? A small one, but it serves the purpose. So yeah, 6 out of 10. Absolutely, it's not very clean either. So we are around half an hour left to land in Delhi, and once we land in Delhi, then I'm gonna talk to you. Spoiler alert, I told that we are landing in Delhi. finally we are in Dilwale Ka Delhi. We are in Delhi. The time is around 11:45. So right now we are heading towards Kashmiri Gate, and from there we'll be grabbing a bus. Not grabbing a bus, we'll be taking a bus, and then we'll be moving towards the final location. And before that, we'll be having a dinner. So yeah, if you don't want to miss out on any of these things, then make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is out here. Alright, now I'll see you directly on Kashmiri Gate because I'm too damn tired right now.
A few moments later.
So Ashmita Chetri, where exactly are we?
I don't know, I have no idea.
Even I got no idea. Just having my cup of coffee. What is this? Fortune Grand, some highways. There's Delhi Dehradun highway. Yeah, it's around 3 o'clock in the morning now. Exactly 3. It's around 2:40 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, good morning. Good morning from?
Dehradun.
So we've just reached Dehradun. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we are searching for some guest house. Is that right?
Yeah.
Our friend is supposed to come and meet us, but well, he'll take around an hour. And we have left auntie and her brother out there in the bus stand. Where exactly are we? Well, I don't know, because this is the first time I'm coming to Dehradun. So basically we were in this hotel called Hotel Milan Palace or something, and we came here, stayed for around 3 or 4 hours, and now we are checking out. We are basically going to drop Ashmita's brother to his academy, Doom Defense Academy, TDA. So yeah, this was all about my yesterday's vlog. Today is actually day number 2. And after a while I'll be starting my new vlog. So this is the end of this vlog, and well, I wasn't so let down by SpiceJet. Actually, I enjoyed my thing, but the main thing is I realized this thing. Alright, this is my personal opinion and my personal perspective. I prefer train journeys rather than flight journeys. Yesterday was my first flight, but I felt a train journey is much more enjoyable than a flight journey, because if you know me personally, then you know what kind of person I am. I like to interact with people, and out there in the flight, it was just me and Ashmita, her brother, aunt. It was just the 4 of us who were talking to one another, and the other people, they were hardly concerned. So that thing doesn't happen in the railways. And if you are someone from outside India, then make sure whenever you come to India, do travel by Indian Railways at least once. You'll have a time of your life. You'll get to meet different kinds of people, and well, it'll be a whole new level of experience. So yes, until next time, that is until the next couple of hours, this is Priyam Gurung, and I'll see you very very soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and cheers to life. Yes, I'm in Dehradun. Good morning. Have a good day.